name is Ajay Mitran. I am studying 7th F from Amlarpam Higher Secondary School.
My name is Jay Prakash. I am from 7th F studying in Amlarpam Higher Secondary School. Our project name is Rainwater Alarm. First, the rainwater come to the tank. We have to open the tap and it will go here and the alarm will activated and it will go down here and first fill here and next here fill. The both lights are on. Next we have to open the tap. The water will come to the plant and the plant grows.
The plants grows. Open the tap and the plants grows.